of a struggle to get the bottom bracket in. Yeah, one of them was really not wanting to go in. I had to pop it back out a few times to get it going evenly. Always use a rubber mallet, don't use a hammer so you don't damage it, but yeah, it's in. And now on to the rest of the time lapse. Into a slight problem here. Basically, the top cap that I ordered, which is the Stevie Churchill signature rose gold that matches the accent color I'm going for here with the cranks and the Primo hubs, is too large to go with this fork frame stem setup. Basically, putting it on there, it looks clean. I can already see how it's going to come together, right? But then when I put the stem on, I gotta bring the camera closer, but you can see the bolt that you put through the stem can't actually reach down to the threads to like lock it in. But it didn't even cross my mind that this could be a problem when I was ordering it online. I have other top caps from other bike builds I've done. There's like an old Shadow one that I don't think they make anymore. This was like a Merit teal one from a really sick looking bike I used to have. And then I have a black Merit one on here. The head tube on this BSD frame is pretty large, and then on top of it, this is pretty large, so not sure how well you can see. This bolt ain't making it anywhere close into there to lock in. I just looked online. The brand that sells this top cap and the cranks and hubs that I'm running, they do sell 2 other headsets, and one of them does come in the rose gold colorway in like a much shorter top cap. I think that should work pretty well for like what I need for this build, and it would be rose gold, not quite as pretty because it's smaller, but it'll give me the accent I'm looking for. You know what, I can build up the whole bike with this kind of jank, and then when that new top cap comes in, hopefully everything goes well, it fits properly, then I'll just swap it in and we'll be done. So it's kind of gonna be weird for the time lapse, but if you're already on the video, you're already here. Drop a like, I'm struggling. But all right, I'm gonna finish building this for what I can and then come back to it, I guess. This happened last time too. If you're a long-time subscriber and you watched me build this bike, there was an issue with this too. I don't remember what. I think I had like the wrong bottom bracket or something. I guess I don't need this top cap anymore, and I really don't need either of these 3. So should I do a colorful headset top cap giveaway? Does anyone even want one? Let me know. Drop a comment if you need a pink top cap. I'm keeping this one though, because I might build another bike of this color. This is like my favorite color.
Okay, so the camera died. I have successfully jerry-rigged the chain together. I didn't have a pin for the shadow tool. I had two of these somehow in my possession with no pin, but between these two and a rusted Odyssey tool, I got one working chain breaker together, and we have somehow managed to put this chain together correctly. I definitely don't need my seat this high with this frame. Also, this is all really loose still, but for today, I'm gonna leave it. I still need that new part. I'm really liking how it looks so far. I don't really like lots of graphics on my frame, so I'm gonna pull some of these off. That's gonna be it for today. I'll check back in when my Primo part arrives. I can actually finish the build. Hopefully by then my heel bruise will be fixed too, so I can actually, get a few clips for this video. Cheers.
Okay. Primo headset. We have secured it. This is the rose gold in a smaller size. 0 time for y'all, but a week for me. But yeah, there is the much slimmer Primo rose gold Churchill top cap. I'm kind of bummed because, man, this looks so cool with this one, and this is gonna be a little more subtle. I would have been really bummed if they didn't make these anymore, which I don't think they do, but if they didn't have any in stock left, I would have been really, really bummed. It looks so nice right now, and I think if I had to run just like just a black, top cap, that would have been a real downgrade on the aesthetics of this build. We're gonna finish this real quick and then get back to watching Glory Kickboxing. Today is the heavyweight Grand Prix. And I put a bet on the GOAT, Rico Verhoeven, to win the Grand Prix. And as of right now, we just finished the semifinals. It's an 8-man tournament, so to win the tournament, you have to fight 3 times in one night. It's over in the Netherlands, so it's at night. It's like noon here in America. But yeah, I took off the stock BSD graphics from the frame, and I threw on this Empire sticker. I don't like to run a lot of stickers on my parts. You know, I'm not a sponsored rider, and you know that's pretty obvious from the build. I have Odyssey, Primo, BSD, all kinds of different parts on here. I just pick the parts that I think are best, and I run them. You know, I'm paying full price for them. I'm not getting a discount unless I buy something on sale. Otherwise, I did throw on this BSD NASA sticker. I'm gonna hop on the bike and see how it feels. Okay, we gotta do a hop bar as the first bunny hop on the new bike. Inside, professional, upstairs neighbor activities. I hesitated. Don't do that when you do a box spin. Okay, take 2. Hop bar spin. That was bad, but I'm not doing another one. Okay, that's the bike build. If you want me to do a bike check, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, peace.